Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a tower in Icarus. Now if you're wondering what kind of tower I am building, I'm pretty much just trying to do the mission where I have to build a tower and place down a beacon right here, the prototype portable beacon, on this designated area that's showing up on my screen. Now as you can see right there, if you see that bulb at the top of the trees, that's basically where I have to place down the portable beacon. Now the approach that I'm going to go with this is pretty much just use stone foundations and ladders and eventually a stone floor to make a base for the tower. I'm just going to place the stone foundation right here in the middle and then just work my way up over there. Alright, back at the location, I now have about 10 pieces of stone frames, 12 pieces of wood ladder, and 1 piece of stone floor. And this should be enough for me to get all the way up there where I should need to be. Let me just place the foundation here and then just stack them all the way up here. And if you get close to the top of the ladder, you should be able to place another stone foundation here. Alright, now the bubble is right on top of here, and it took me about 8 stone frames to get to this height. And make sure to place down the stone floor as well. Place it down right here. And this should activate. And as you can see right there, there's your payment. Let me just go back down and then collect the reward. And that's pretty much about it on how to build a tower in Icarus.